Hey there, I'm Shilpa and you are on my channel She Speaks. Today I'm back with a new video. But before getting started, I want to thank each and every one of you who has showed love to my channel and my videos. Really, it's a feast for eyes when you see such lovely comments right below your video. It's like your hard work paying off. And let me tell you, I would love to hear it more from you. More comments, more subscriptions. Okay. Now I'm quickly going to start with today's topic. Maybe I should, or perhaps should I? Yes. So today's topic is maybe and perhaps. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what is the difference between maybe and perhaps. I have chosen this topic because my subscribers commented right below my video about this topic, that please make a video of difference between maybe and perhaps. So let's get started. First, both are adverbs. We use maybe or perhaps when we want to express a possibility, a thing that is not 100% sure, a thing which is possible but 50-50. Now I'm going to start first with maybe. Maybe is more informal and it is more conversational. And if we look at perhaps, perhaps is more formal and it is more commonly used in written English and it is more academic. Now let's move on to the difference as per the sentence structure. When you use maybe, maybe can be used in the beginning of the sentence. For example, maybe I will go to the party. In this sentence, you are not sure that whether you will go to the party or not. You are still thinking that maybe I should go or maybe I should not go. Let's take another example. Let's say if your friend asks you, have you seen my charger? You can reply him by saying, maybe it is in the drawer. See, maybe it is in the drawer. You are not sure that it is in the drawer, but it is a possibility that his charger can be in the drawer. Maybe can also be used as a one-word answer. For example, if someone asks you that, would you like to go to the party? You can say, maybe. Maybe. You can also turn it into a full sentence like, maybe I'll go to the party. So you can use maybe at the beginning of the sentence and as a one-word reply. Now let's move on to perhaps. Perhaps is more formal and it is not that common. It can be used at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence and as a one-word reply too. So structurally, perhaps has more flexibility than maybe. We use perhaps at the beginning of the sentence like, perhaps I'll go to the party. When someone is asking you, will you go to the party? You can reply by saying, perhaps I'll go to the party. Using perhaps is more formal. It sounds like it is more formal. You use it as a one-word reply to just like maybe. For example, if your friend asks you, will you go to the party? You can reply by saying, perhaps. Perhaps I'll go to the party. Or perhaps. When I was talking about the sentence structure of perhaps, I told you that perhaps can be used in the middle of the sentence also. You can say it like, I will perhaps go to the party. I will perhaps go to the party. Now, in a nutshell, let's quickly revise what is maybe and what is perhaps. See, maybe and perhaps are used when there is a possibility but not certainty. We use maybe at the beginning of the sentence and as a one-word reply too. And when it comes to perhaps, we use perhaps at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence and as a one-word reply too. Now, I have done my part by explaining you the difference between maybe and perhaps and how you can use them. Now, it's your time to practice. You can quickly leave a comment below this video by making sentence on maybe and perhaps. It would be great if you use perhaps in the middle of a sentence. If this video was a help to you, then you know what to do. Yes, hit the like button, share this video as much as you can, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care, and peace out.